Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 14th day of June 2021. We are here again, going to give you all a price prediction for XRP. You guys can see on our price chart, we already did a price prediction. It is currently ongoing, and so far the market is going pretty much according to what we expect. I'm going to break that down. But before I do, if you all want to understand and learn more about language analysis and you want to see precisely how to get in position and win into the market, I would recommend that you come and join our community. You can do that by liking the video, sharing, subscribing here to the channel. We're not going to give you a lot of that fear, a lot of that FUD and FOMO just to get you on board these cryptocurrencies. And then in the end, you end up losing more than what you thought you were. We're here to get in position and dominate this space. And we're trying to build a community to where we can have a lot more people profit when we profit. So if you want to join us, we're here. If not, there's a plethora of other YouTube channels you could go and get your enjoyment and entertainment from. But let's talk about XRP real quick. So it's been about 3 days. You guys can see right here on my chart that the last price prediction we did was on June the 11th, 2021, playing the strength. Now, initially, the market in XRP has not really given us that vigor, that monumental strength in this space. But you guys can see from trading yesterday that the market is still willing to go higher in price. And we're not surprised to see that because we expected that on June the 11th, 2021. Here it is, June the 14th, and the market is still actually giving us some positivity within our prediction. Now, let's see how the market in XRP concluded last week, because we can actually get a better idea as to how far the market in XRP is going to go from a longer term perspective. And so far, so good. I mean, the last 2 weeks, the volume has been very light. The market in XRP has not even reacted to this negative week that came through on May the 17th, 2021. I mean, ever since that particular time, XRP has been trading this price right there above 77 cents, 75 cents. That tells us that that area is becoming a very firm area of support. I mean, it's been 4 weeks since we saw that market movement to the downside for XRP, and we're still holding 77 cents. That's massive. That tells us that trap is really trying to hold price in XRP from breaking below 77 cents. Now, last week, though, is called a probable precursor of strength. That simply means that for this current week, the market in XRP needs to close above last week's price. And if it does, then we already are under the premise that the market in XRP is going to go higher in price. There's nothing to be confused about in the market in XRP. Now, let's not get it confused, though, because the market here in XRP is still hitting its head across $1.10 as restriction. We have to be careful of that. So even though I'm trying to tell you that the market in XRP is willing to go higher in price, I don't want you all to relax and think that the market is ready to moon up to $5 or $10, because we're not in that environment yet. The environment is still showing us one of trading sideways with the ability to go higher in price, right? And we're going to play that. So we're not going to be extremely bullish into the market in XRP, but we are bullish. We are expecting the price to go higher. So now let me show you all on the 3-day time frame how the market in XRP looks. It looks even better. I definitely like what's going on into the market for XRP on the 3-day time frame. You guys can see that the market is giving us a lot of strength on a 3-day time frame. Even over the last 3-day price bars, the market in XRP has moved lower, but we haven't been dramatically moving lower. So that still tells me that there's not that much weakness or fear in the market that's trying to really dump in this space. This is the 2-day time frame for XRP right here. And even here on the 2-day time frame, I'm looking forward to the market in XRP to go higher in price. So everything looks great in that realm as well. So let me show you all the monthly time frame. So this is the monthly time frame right here in XRP. And I wanted to show you this because of this trend right here. You may not have noticed this, but this is the trend from a monthly time frame that XRP is currently on. Do you see that? So every month, the market in XRP has been following that ascending line that I've just drawn right there. Now, from a monthly perspective, if we see this price break below that line I've just drawn, We are under the premise that XRP is no longer in a bullish trend and the market is no longer a buy. So far, so good, which gives us even more confirmation from a daily perspective that we can expect the price in XRP to go higher. But take a look. We're not out the woods yet from a monthly perspective. The market here is still showing that it has the ability to break below that ascending line. I just wanted to bring that to your attention because you're not going to see a lot of people give you this type of information. The unconfusing way is relatively simple. Price stays above that line, we already know where we're going to go. Price breaks that line, we know we're going to go lower in price and that the bullish trend in XRP is over, right? So let me do this here back on a daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. You guys can see our ultimate TP price is right there around $1.98. That would garner us around 14% profitability, which is an excellent thing. I'm really not going to come through and change our prediction. I actually like what is going on into the market in XRP. One thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to clean up my chart. We don't like to confuse our viewers in terms of where we're looking for the market to go. So that's it. This is pretty much just an update as to what we've done in the market in XRP on June the 11th. And I don't see any changes yet. Do you? I mean, you may see something that I'm not seeing on the chart, which is fine. That's why we're building this community so we can converse and collaborate on some things that we may not have noticed. But so far, the trap is still trying to display to us that he wants to increase his price. And we're looking for the market to try to garner us around 14%. If we maintain this strength, 14% is going to be nothing because the market's going to try to go up there around $1.10 in the long term. And I would say long term as it from a weekly perspective. Okay. So that's it. Just wanted to come through, give you all our price prediction update in the market for XRP. Nothing has changed. The market is still exhibiting to us that price is going to go higher. So we're already in position to capitalize on that movement. So now, if you see anything different, let me know. Let everyone in our community know if you see anything different that will show you that the market is not going to go higher, but that we're going to go lower in price. Definitely tell us that so everyone can get the notice and get in position and win in this space. But this is what we're seeing. No changes. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.